In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Mailchimp email. Email verification is an essential step for anyone looking to maintain a healthy relationship with their mailing list. Not only does it ensure that you're sending emails to a real, engaged audience, but it also goes a long way in maintaining your sender reputation. So, let's dive into this simple yet crucial process. First, let's head over to the Mailchimp homepage. This is where the magic begins. As you arrive, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find your profile icon. This profile area is more than just a picture. It serves as your gateway to customizing and managing your Mailchimp account. Getting familiar with its options can be very beneficial for all sorts of account tasks. Hover over or click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Profile. Now, you're in your profile settings, which is a centralized spot for all your personal and account information, including the all-important email verification we're focusing on today. Here, you'll see a section titled Domains. Go ahead and click on it. This area is specifically designed for managing the email domains associated with your Mailchimp account. It's crucial to understand that domain verification plays a vital role in your email deliverability. Once you're in the Domain section, look for the option labeled Add and Verify Domain. Click on this to proceed with adding a new email address for verification. Mailchimp is all about ensuring you have the authority to use the email domain you're adding. This step is vital. It protects against spam and unauthorized email activities. You'll then be asked to choose the email address you wish to verify. Select your desired email address from the list Mailchimp presents. If your preferred address isn't displayed, you can enter a new one. The process is designed to be straightforward, but make sure you have access to the inbox of the email you're verifying. This will be critical in the upcoming step. Once you've entered the address, click the Send Verification Email button. By doing so, Mailchimp will dispatch a verification email to the address you've provided, containing a link. At this stage, having access to your email inbox is essential. Open your email client and look for the Mailchimp verification email. If it's not immediately visible, don't forget to check your spam folder. Once you've located the email, simply click on the provided verification link. And just like that, you've successfully verified your email address with Mailchimp. This step enhances your credibility and deliverability as a sender, and unlocks more functionalities within Mailchimp available only to verified domains. In conclusion, the process of verifying your email in Mailchimp is straightforward, but packed with benefits that can significantly impact your email marketing efforts. From better deliverability rates to an improved sender reputation, taking the time to ensure your email is verified is a minor effort that can lead to major gains. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found the process easy to follow and understand. Remember, keeping your digital marketing tools in check, like your Mailchimp account, is key to maintaining a strong online presence. Happy emailing, and until next time, keep optimizing your digital strategies for the best outcomes.